Leah. Hi, gorgeous.
Hello, gorgeous.
Don't get too excited. She gets too excited and she topples. But she's sitting up like a big girl, playing with her toys. Leah. Hi.
Hello, gorgeous girl.
What are you doing? Leah. Every time I say her name, she goes, ah. Leah. See? Leah. Are you talking back to us? Oh, don't get too excited. Tell everybody in Texas hi. Say I'm too busy. I'm too busy eating this. You're doing so good, little girl. I'm still a little bit of a round bottom, but not too bad. See how she picks her little feet up to balance? Like, whoa. What? Uh-oh.